Hello everyone, this is Reggie with A Team Appliance. This is our YouTube channel for appliance repair, and right now I've diagnosed a LG front load wash machine. Um, Quick, simple video. Basically, you have a problem. I'm giving you the answer. As far as taking it apart and all that, there's other videos for that, but it's kind of easy. Basically, just take the top off on these, and you got your computer over there. Computer here, water valves. This is your noise filter. That's where all the power goes through, and you have your board. These are the primary issues with LG. This particular washer, the customer said wasn't getting no power. Initially, when I came, I'm hitting the power button. I already fixed it, but when I initially came, hit the power button, I got no power whatsoever. So my first thought was, well, if I can get it on, it's hard to test anything. So I replaced the board. We ordered a new control panel, put in a new panel, nothing still. So then my next stop is, because usually that computer is super expensive, so you try to go with the cheaper stuff first. So anyway, that didn't do the trick. Next thing I got was a noise filter, because usually that's a culprit too, because those noise filter will blow out and not produce any power. Usually when they're black on the inside, the silicone inside is black, typically I see that as the noise filter issue, but the noise filter gives power to the rest of the washer. For another no power issue is your computer. And let me start off by saying too is sometimes if you have a plug, check that first, because sometimes there are resets on your actual electrical. So if that's blown, that would be the easiest, cheapest solution. But on this particular one, it actually was the computer. So here's the old computer board, in which if you look at this thing, there's no blowouts. Usually you can see one of those, you'll see a capacitor, or you'll see one of those circuits just black and blown out. All of them look in perfect condition. So, and unfortunately with this one, with LG, they put it in silicone, so you can't just flip the board over, because sometimes it's on the bottom of the board, so you'll see a burnout. But with no power, most likely one of these power relays went out. So anyway, if you have an LG washer with no power, most likely it's going to be your computer first. I haven't worked on these ones in a while, so I kind of went with the board first, and then the noise filter, I've got plenty of those on board, so I tried those out. But anyway, it's working now. So simple DIY fix. You want to get that board. The boards are kind of hard to find used, because a lot of them have different part numbers, but a lot of them are interchangeable. So sometimes it's a crapshoot. So it's kind of easier for me because I have a used appliance store, so I can kind of mix and match parts and try things out and see if they work. So anyway, you have an LG front load washer, no power coming on. Most likely it's that computer back there. Any questions, feel free to leave it below. Also, we have a used parts site, www.dryertuneup.com, in which we have used dryer parts, washer parts, super cheap prices, especially for something like this with that board. That board brand new is probably about $200. So I've got those on eBay, I think, for maybe $80. So it's a super good deal, cheaper than buying a brand new one, especially when the machines, you can always get a new one. Well, new one is for about $1,000, but you can get a used one for a few $100s. Anyway, this is Reggie. Any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.